Hi, I'm Dr. Balaraju Naidu, Robotic Joint Replacement Surgeon at Onus Robotic Hospitals. So we have advanced facilities under Curox division and Myra Robotic Physiotherapy Center. So we have Sushma garu మన దగ్గర హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి వచ్చారు. సో అన్ఫార్చునేట్గా తనకు సివియర్ గ్రేటర్ ట్రోకాంట్రిక్ బర్సైటిస్ అని వచ్చింది. సో హిప్ జాయింట్ పెయిన్. So we given a shockwave therapy of around 4 to 5 sessions under Myra Robotic Physiotherapy Centers, which gives excellent pain relief. So, Madam Garnadi, hello, Madam.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, just tell me what exactly happened to your hip and how Onus Robotic Hospital has
Actually,
helped.
I went to Canada for 3 months.
Okay.
There itself, maybe because of the mattress or bed or whatever,
Correct.
I started having right side outer hip pain.
Correct.
Because I'm a side sleeper,
Okay.
I could not sleep on the right side, so I turned to the left side.
Okay.
Even on the left side, I developed pain,
Okay.
and I could not consult any doctor in Canada because I don't belong to Canada. So I
Okay.
came back to India, and initially before consulting you, I went to Aware Global. I don't
Okay.
want to tell the doctor's
Yeah.
name. I was not diagnosed. He didn't say anything. He said
Okay.
go for a physiotherapy. He said avascular necrosis.
Okay.
But I wanted to rule out. Then I came to know from my brother. My brother is a doctor.
Okay.
He suggested me to visit you.
Good.
And on visiting you, you confirmed it's a bursitis.
Good.
And I have taken physiotherapy in your hospital. And I'm very happy. So within 2-3 days, my swelling reduced.
Yes.
Right now, I can say it's been 1 month, not even 1 month. And 80% of the pain is gone.
Good.
And your motivation helped me to lose weight.
Good.
I'm going to lose weight. I've already lost 4.5 kilos in 20 days.
Correct.
So
very happy to see she lost 1 kg. 4.5 kg reduced. Wow.
Not
What
even-
exactly you did?
Your diet, sir. You have given a diet chart. I followed your motivation. And every day morning, I think whatever you told me, I'm following that. I want to take you as an inspiration and come back to, I want to lose 20 to 25 kgs so that I'll be totally pain-free and more healthy, lead more healthy life.
గుడ్. సో చూశారు కదా, సుష్మా గారు చాలా ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ జర్నీ కంటిన్యూ చేయబోతున్నారు. సో 1 month లో 4.5 kgs వెయిట్ లాస్. ఐ గివెన్ 1600 kilo calories, బట్ స్టిల్ షీ ఈస్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ వెయిట్ అరౌండ్ 1200 calories షీ ఈస్ ఫాలోయింగ్ అండ్ షీ ఈస్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఫస్ట్ 4 days చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది. సో నౌ షీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు కంటిన్యూ లెగసీ అండ్ షీల్ బి లైక్ యు సీ 20 years బ్యాక్ ఎలా ఉండదో అలా తయారవుతుంది మేడం కూడా. So thank you for trusting Onus Robotic Hospitals. Thank you all my patients for making Onus Robotic Hospital top 3 multi-specialty hospitals in Hyderabad. Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you,
Wishing
sir.
you all the best.
Thank you very much,
Good.
sir. And definitely I'll give my reviews, genuine reviews to everyone. And I suggest all of them to visit Onus for better treatment. I can say for correct treatment.
Correct treatment, correct.
Thank you,
So
sir.
thank you so much. Okay.